Hey students, today I will tell you about the relation of diffusion and the mass of the substance. As I told you in the previous video that diffusion is affected by the mass, now today we will see how to calculate the molecular mass of a substance and how it affects the diffusion. First, subscribe to my channel and let's start the video. First, diffusion relation with the mass of a substance. How it is affected. Have you ever wondered why some gases spread faster than the others? It all comes down to the mass. In this video, we will explore how lighter the particles, faster it diffuses, using fun animations and simple experiments like ammonia and hydrogen chloride. We will see why small, lighter particles zip around more quickly, why heavier ones take their time. Let's crack the science behind diffusion and make this concept super easy. First of all, let's calculate the molecular mass of some gases, like simple hydrogen. For hydrogen molecule is H2, so hydrogen atom has the mass of 1. Hydrogen molecule has 2 atoms of hydrogen, which makes the molecular mass of hydrogen 1 into 2 is equal to 2. If we do it for oxygen molecule, which is O2, so see, oxygen atom has the relative atomic mass of 16. An oxygen molecule contains 2 oxygen atoms, which makes the molecular mass of oxygen 16 into 2, which is 32. So basically what we are doing here, we are multiplying the mass, atomic mass of the element with its number of atoms. Now let's do a little bit more. Calculating the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. Now it has carbon and oxygen. Carbon has relative atomic mass of 12. Oxygen has relative atomic mass of 16. CO2 contains 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atoms, which makes the molecular mass of carbon dioxide as 44. Now for hydrogen sulfide, same thing. Hydrogen mass is 1, sulfur mass is 32. In hydrogen sulfide, H2S, there are 2 hydrogen and 1 sulfur. So we'll do 2 into 1 for hydrogen, 1 into 32 for sulfur. The total is 34. As you can see it very clearly, we multiply the atomic mass and the number of atoms of all the elements and we add them together. Let's calculate the molecular mass of methane and ethane, the much complicated compounds. In methane, the carbon mass is 12, hydrogen mass is 1, which we can see from the periodic table. The formula CH4, 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen atoms. So we just did 1 into 12 for carbon, 4 into 1 for hydrogen, which makes total 16. In ethane also, C2H6. So for the carbons, it's 2 into 12. For oxygen, it's 6 into, for hydrogen, it's 6 into 1, which makes total 30. I hope you guys are getting how to calculate the molecular mass. Just multiplying the atomic mass with the number of atoms in the formula, add them together. That's it. Now, which gas diffuses the fastest? The lighter one will diffuse faster. So, which one is lighter? Hydrogen molecule has the mass of 2. Oxygen molecule has a mass of 16. Carbon dioxide 44. And hydrogen sulfide 34, as we just calculated in the previous slide. So, out of these 4, the gas which diffuses the fastest is hydrogen molecule because it has the lightest mass. Then again, let's see which gas will diffuse the fastest from these two. Methane 16 and ethane 30. We calculated it in the previous slide. Methane 16, ethane 30. So here the gas which diffuses the fastest is methane 16 because it has a smaller mass as compared to ethane. Next is which gas diffuses the slowest. Now for the slowest we have to see that which gas molecular mass is highest. Nitrogen dioxide is 46. Nitrogen dioxide NO2 and nitrogen 14 into 1. Oxygen 2 atoms 16 into 2. 14 and 62 plus 46. For sulfur dioxide, it's SO2 sulfur 32 into 1, and for oxygen 16 multiplied by 2, which makes it 64. So out of these two, which gas diffuses the slowest? It's sulfur dioxide, because its mass is 64, which is the highest mass as compared to nitrogen dioxide. Now this is which gas diffuses the slowest. Hydrogen chloride gas diffuses the slowest. Hydrogen has a mass of 1. Chlorine mass is 35.5. Molecular mass of hydrogen will be 1 into 1 for hydrogen and 1 into 35.5 for chlorine, which makes total 36.5. For ammonia, nitrogen mass is 14, hydrogen mass is 1, ammonia is NH3, so for nitrogen 1 into 14, and for 3 atoms of hydrogen 1 into 3, which makes total 17. So out of these two, the slowest one will be, yes, you are right, hydrogen chloride, because its mass is more than ammonia. Now, let me take your quiz. Mini quiz for you, diffusion and the molecular mass. Now, here are 2 quick questions. Choose the best answer for each question. Number 1, 2 gases X and Y diffuse. Gas X has a lower molecular mass than Y. Which one diffuses the fastest? Question number 2, what is the relation between the molecular mass and the rate of diffusion? Options are in front of you. Write in the comment box what are the correct answers of these 2 questions. So, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. You can also comment if you have any confusion, any question regarding any topic of chemistry. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.